Ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure to introduce our Deputy CEO Sales and Marketing. Big round of applause, make some noise. Here's Robert Mueller.
Thank you, Charles. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very, very much for being here with us today, and welcome to the Canadian International Auto Show. It's wonderful to have you here. We're very, very excited to show you what we have to talk about today. At Vinfast, our mission is to bring EVs to everyone. We want to make sure that EVs are accessible to the wide members of the Canadian market. And I'm very pleased to say that we've already made great inroads towards that goal this year. Last year, we opened up 9 stores across the country, showrooms so our customers can come and experience our product. And in 2024, we will continue to expand our network of distribution and service centers across the country. Also, at a global level, Vinfast itself has emerged as a pioneer in sustainable mobility by introducing an EV ecosystem of scooters, buses, and 8 EV vehicles, some of which you see here on the floor today. For example, right here beside me, we have the VF8. It's our all-wheel drive 5-seater that you'll see on Canadian roads now. Over in the corner in blue is the VF9. That's our 3-row 7-seater. It's on deck, and I'm very, very pleased to share with you that it'll be in showrooms for test drive and delivery very soon. But our lineup doesn't end there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a peek at the future of VinFast, the VF3. Cute, I like it, I'll take it. We say compact, we say sporty, we say alluring. The VF3 embodies efficiency in a sleek and innovative design in a compact and efficient footprint. The exterior, you'll notice, is characterized by bold design and strong lines that run consistently from the front to the back. This mini E-SUV embodies both minimalism and functionality. The VF3 boasts a well-proportioned footprint for effortless city navigation. This practical 4-seater delivers flexible accommodation while maintaining optimal maneuverability. The VF3 is a small car with big dreams. It carries out VinFast's commitment to paving the way for mass electric mobility and accelerates the green revolution for a sustainable future. And we look forward to seeing the VF3 in Canada, hopefully very soon. And of course, our future, however, does not end here. We certainly have saved what I think is the best for last. I'm excited to share something new from VinFast, something elemental, something wild. What do you think? Thank you. The VF Wild is a mid-size electric pickup truck that has a commanding presence. The design, I found this really interesting, the design was actually inspired by the movement of a superhero's cape in motion. The VF Wild has a taut and expressive surfacing of the body that wraps all over rugged and protective black body armor exterior keyed into wheel arch guards. A design that appears to leap forward even when standing still. An all-new and revamped user interface is a central element and mainstay for both the Vinfast driver and passenger. A new and innovative design that we will show you in a second. The power fold-down midgate extends cargo capacity via the pass-through rear passenger seating area. With one simple push of a button, combining both function and form, you'll notice Alcantara interior features meet tough surfacing finishes, plush seating with the ability to adjust positions across the integrated floor rail system. Please take a moment to take a closer look at our entire lineup of vehicles today, and be sure to look at the VF3 and the Wild. Ladies and gentlemen, we just want to say thank you again very, very much for coming to see us. We're extremely proud to be here. I'm extremely proud to have Vinfast in the Canadian market. And we're very, very much looking forward to you all seeing more Vinfast vehicles on the road this year. Thank you and have a wonderful show.